Anthony!
Hey, ready for my probably 4-hour drive home.
I don't think the heavy stuff's coming down for a while, though.
I don't think the heavy stuff's coming down for quite some time. But yeah, it ought to be fun. A couple of beers for the drive home.
It's perfect, right?
Yeah, I'll relax. I'm gonna try to take it easy. I really am. Go around!
Well, you're not off to a good start. You're already pissing everybody off.
I know, I'm stopped in the middle of the street. Fuck them. That's what I say.
I want you to give us a nice move with this Escalade, all right?
All right, let's see what I can do.
All right, here we go. See you later, and have a good weekend. What a fucking lunatic. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. And one thing, make sure you check out Cop Out, Kevin Smith's new movie. He called the show today. He was great. Don't listen to the critics. I really, really think you're going to enjoy Cop Out. Oh, look what I did as I was filming this video. Are you laughing at me, sir?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you should laugh at me. I'm already sick, and now I'm in this slushy effing water. What a dope. All right, have a good weekend.